Okay, so good afternoon, lovely people of Ghana. This is your project lead, Bismarck. We are here in the greater Accra region where you can locate St. Margaret Mary Senior High School. So we are here in connection with the eCampus Air to commence. So that is why we are here in St. Margaret Mary Senior High School for the eCampus Air to commence so that students can have easy access to their tablets in connection with the internet connectivity that will be here in the school. So stay tuned and we all hope for the best. Thank you.
Yeah, you are welcome to St. Margaret Mary Dansuma. We are pleased to have you people here.
Thank you, sir. Okay, sir. Please, have you heard about eCampus Ghana?
Oh, yeah. We've heard so much about you guys and the work that you've been doing. And
Okay.
we are happy that you guys are in our school.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are here to install Wi-Fi for you. So, after the installation of the Wi-Fi, what relevant or benefit are you going to get from?
Oh, with the benefits we are going to, experience a lot. Most especially is the students' learning and students' engagement with technology. I believe so much that in this modern age and era, that the world is shifting, to a technological space. The students have to get closer to technology. So this initiative will go so much way to enhance the students' confidence level when they are being, faced with technology, and even the virtual e-learning on the student platform is going to boost, their confidence level to approach some of these technological advancements going forward. So, yeah, I mean, you guys are doing well, and we like the initiative that you are bringing on board, and it will serve Mother Ghana a long way. We are most grateful.
Yes, so I can see you are happy.
I'm very much happy.
So what are you telling the government or eCampus Ghana?
Oh, we thank the government, of Ghana of the initiative and the money that they are pushing it, because this is a big project. Because covering, we are fortunate to be part of the piloting schools, and we don't take it for granted that we are having the early bird, to catch the early worm. So we are most grateful about the initiative, and we say kudos to the government to choose St. Margaret Mary to be the piloting school, and we are most grateful.
Okay, we are also grateful.
Thank you.